What's up, and welcome to another episode of GizmoSlip. Today we're gonna find out if this cast iron pan, and this is a heavy cast iron pan, probably weighs about 20 pounds, can protect this iPhone 10 from an AR-15 and a 9mm handgun. We're gonna be filming it in super slow motion with this Phantom V1611, and we're gonna film it at 18,500 frames per second for bullet time. We can actually see the bullet hit and ricochet or whatever it's gonna do. I can't wait. It's gonna be freaking epic. Let's get started. If you don't know, this is based on a game called PUBG, PlayerUnknown Battlegrounds. I freaking love the game. In PUBG, if you shoot a pan, it will block a bullet, no matter if it's like from a freaking sniper rifle or a pistol, it doesn't matter. You can have 50 people shooting a pan at once and it will still block the bullet. But the question is, can a real cast iron pan stop a bullet? Post your opinion in the top right. I think maybe the 9mm. I don't think it'll be able to stop the AR-15 though. I think the AR-15 is gonna punch right through it. Brand new iPhone 10. Gonna put it right behind the cast iron pan. All right. 3, 2, 1. Woo! I see a hole. I wonder if it killed the iPhone or if I missed the iPhone. Look at this. Whew. Did we destroy the iPhone? Oh, we nailed the iPhone. Holy crap. Did we go through the iPhone? Oh my God. Looks like the bullet hit, busted into all these different pieces and then just like perforated the iPhone 10. Wow. Just look at that cast iron, just like punctured. Was not expecting that. I really thought it was gonna stop the 9mm at least. All right, let's take a look at the bullet time. That was with the 9mm. That was our weakest gun. Here comes the bullet and kadoosh! So I think the cast iron pan blocked most of the momentum, but it clearly couldn't handle that much force. Holy crap. Do not rely on a cast iron pan to stop a bullet. It's a bad idea. I want to see if we can get a ricochet. So we hit it dead straight on, which meant all of the force was going straight into the pan. If we shoot it instead at a ricochet angle, maybe we can get the bullet to actually bounce off and fly away. I don't have much hope for that, but I figure that might be the next best thing, because maybe at certain angles, it could actually stop a bullet still. I just really wanted to stop a bullet, so yeah. Anyway, all right, here we go. Success! I knew it could do it! Woo! I'm probably yelling really loud because of his earplugs. Okay, let's check it out. Here comes the bullet and kaboom! Whoa! Look at the cast iron pan too. It like wobbles like a trampoline. Okay, I gotta play that back slower. This is now at 25,000 frames per second so we can get bullet time. Bullet comes in, it's kaboom! Digs in, bounces out, and the bullet actually comes a lot flatter. Like, it turns into a little disc as it flies away. That is awesome. And the pan totally blocked the bullet. So, PUBG isn't completely unrealistic. Now let's see if the pan can block the AR-15, which is a whole nother beast. Here are the two bullets we're using. Full metal jacket for both. This guy is the one that bounced off just now. This one has way more gunpowder. This is the AR-223 round, smaller metals, but it's gonna be going way faster, around 3,000 feet per second. This one only does about 800, 900 feet per second. Let's see if we can get a ricochet off this pan. Here we go. Here we go! Woo! That's interesting. The 9mm punched a much bigger hole than the AR-15. Here's the AR-15 and whoa! You have like flame and sparks go off when it hits the cast iron pan. Then you have like lots of dirt debris moving through. It's really hard to tell, but I think the bullet actually ricocheted off the pan and like it punched a hole in the pan, but the bullet did bounce. You can see like fragments of the bullet in like the explosion. I think it like just fragmentized off the pan. That is awesome. So it did ricochet the AR-15 bullet. The bullet did not penetrate all the way through. That is awesome. 3, 2. Taking a look at this slow motion, playing it frame by frame, we get the bullet's impact and then you actually can see the AR-15 bullet breaks apart, and you can see all these fragments coming off from the bullet. It is just fragging like crazy out the sides. But the thing is, it is still slamming that cast iron pan, sending those bits of pan into the person. It's not nearly as bad as being shot by an AR-15, but in theory, it is deflecting the bullet. So that is freaking awesome. So there you have it. At the right angles, the AR-15 and the 9mm will ricochet off the pan, but the pan will still shatter and it's got a mouthful of dirt. Take two. But the AR-15 round does puncture a hole in the pan in PUBG. You're wearing it on your butt like this. So you get shot in the pan, and then suddenly you're gonna have pan shrapnel in your ass. It's not gonna be good either way. But in theory, the bullet does ricochet off the pan. It would be super interesting if they included ricochet physics in a game. I thought this was a super interesting result. The cast iron pan probably would actually save your life. You just end up with some metal fragments in your butt. Anyway, that's it for this episode, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. We'll see you next time. Brandon, out.